Learn to draw a library tiger. You'll need paper, a pencil, a rubber and a pen for later. Start with a long straight line parallel to the bottom of your page. Then the same length of line straight up and a nice curve to join them. A dot to help start the head. Another dot higher up and over to the left. And a third dot left and low down. Join up your 3 dots, but adjust your lines if you need to. This is the basis for the shape of your head. Now add in a curve which will be your tiger's chin, a dot to help you with the leg, and a furry line down to your dot. A dot as a guide for the paw, and a curve. A dot, then a line to finish your foot. A dot for the top of the leg, and a line. A dot for your second foot, and a furry curve for the stomach. A dot for the foot and another curve. A smooth curve for your tail. A dot and another curve. Then you can finish your tail. A straight line down finishes your back leg. A shorter straight line down and across creates the other back leg. A dot for the final leg and a straight line down. A line across for the foot. A V shape for the bottom of your nose and a short line down from nose to chin. A line across the face where the eyebrows will be and 2 guide dots for the nose. Now join these to your V shape. 2 curves for your eyes, then draw your pupils, leaving some white. Eyebrows. 2 dots to help with the ears. Draw your ears with some fur at the bottom, and the same for the inner ear. Lightly draw in some stripes to create the look that you want. And we'll finish off the face with some furry lines on the cheeks. Add some claws and you're finished. You can draw over your tiger in pen and gently rub out your pencil lines. Then add some colour if you like. Thanks for drawing with us. Please share your drawings with the hashtag #MarvellousMondayMaking.